Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to show you how to use iOS keyboard on your Android phone, so let's start the video. First, you have to open link in the description and download this iOS keyboard file. After downloading, extract this file into your files. Now search iOS keyboard in your files, and here is the file you have just extracted. Install this application into your phone. Now leave files and open this application from Drawer. Now turn on SwiftKey iOS. Now tap on Themes and select iOS Adaptive Natural. Go back and then open Typing. Turn off autocorrect and autospace. After that, open Emojis section and turn on both options. Go back and then open Layout and Keys. Tap on Resize and size the keyboard according to you. Here, open Sound and Vibration and turn off Android default vibration. Turn on Key Press Sound Volume. And then select Traditional Sound from that second option. Now, go back and let's check the results of iOS keyboard. As you can see now, you easily use iOS keyboard on your Android phone. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next video.